Hey guys, today we are looking at the Iceman sports sunglasses built for peak performance and visual clarity. Featuring advanced TORIEX HD lenses, these glasses provide exceptional sharpness and vivid colors in every single environment. The ultra-lightweight TR90 frame is virtually unbreakable and offers a comfortable fit for any face shape. You will love the non-slip rubber pads that keep your shades secure during fast-paced outdoor sports. These ANSI Z87 certified lenses offer professional-grade safety for cycling, running, fishing, and many other activities. Each pair comes with a hard case, cleaning cloth, and a strap to keep your gear protected. Upgrade your outdoor experience with these versatile sunglasses that combine rugged durability with a sleek modern design. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.